Kolors has updated 2 ControlNet models, one for depth, one for Canny, and another large model for redrawing. The difference this time is that the model was officially released. The change in the workflow is here, where ControlNet is loaded. The last time we used an unofficial misaligned model, we loaded it using 2 nodes. Use this officially released deep learning model with just 1 node. This is the officially released Canny model, which works similarly. Above that, there's nothing much to say, just adjust it as you did before with the controlled settings. The officially released controlled model by Kolors performs quite well overall. The controlled models in the entire SDKR environment are already quite mature. The last one is redrawing the model. I'll paint over this scarf and then redraw it as a hat. The results of this retraining model are indeed impressive and have already gained recognition from many netizens. What's different about the workflow? This model was not designed as a controlled model. It is loaded by placing it in the UNet folder inside the model folder, so it is actually a large model specifically designed for redrawing. You can download the corresponding models on Hugging Face. Navigate to RunningHub AI or click the link in the introduction to register and you'll receive 120 points daily. Logging in each day will give you an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.